I guarantee you that you will make money in 2023 if you watch this entire video and you take action. If you stop giving yourself excuses like, I don't have any money, I don't have any time, I need to have this major audience to make money. If you stop giving yourself those excuses, I guarantee you that you can make money in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process that you can start implementing today with examples and start making money in 2023. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. In the beginning of this video, I made a bold claim that I can guarantee you that you can make money, you will make money in 2023. Okay, this video is going to be broken down into 3 parts. Part 1 are going to be some examples on how to get started. Part 2 is going to be the different ways that you can make money. And then part 3 is how to scale it. So when I first started to try and make money online many years ago at this point, I was much like you. I was in the exact same position. I was trying these quick fixes. That's why I do those I tried it videos. I was trying to find shortcuts and simple methods to make money online. It took me more time, energy, and effort to try those quick fixes and simple methods than what I'm actually doing now. So I was in the exact same position as you. I understand where you're coming from. I understand all the smoke screens and all of the things that you're telling yourself that are preventing you from making money online. But this video is going to be a step-by-step process that you can start doing today to put yourself in a great position for 2023. Another problem that I see a lot of people run into when they first get started is they only make $10 per day. A year ago, you weren't making any money online. So making $10 per day is a great place to start. A lot of people set themselves up for failure because they want to make $1,000 in their first 2 weeks of making money online. And when they don't make it, they get frustrated, they fail, and they give up. Okay. What you want to make sure that you're doing is giving yourself quick and small wins. You want to give yourself wins like, I'm getting more traffic, I'm getting people clicking on my affiliate links, I'm building my mailing list, whatever it may be. Give yourself quick wins so that you can build upon that success. Don't go into this brand new business thinking that you're going to make $1,000 in 3 weeks. That's not realistic and that's not fair to you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the simple 3-step process that you can make money online in 2023. The first step number 1, is to identify a problem. Okay. We as content creators, we are going to create solutions for the problem. But first we got to identify a problem. And there are literally problems everywhere. So I'm going to show you real quick some different examples of problems and solutions. Okay. If we look on YouTube, there are a number of problems right here. All right. So this first one here, this person creates content about concrete. All right. These people are entertaining and teaching lessons about their business, about the concrete business. These people are creating content about a brand new video game that's coming out in about 9 months. Okay. You want to identify a problem. If you don't know how to identify a problem, you can go over to a website like trends.google.com and see what they're talking about. Okay. Go through, search through here. You can see Thanksgiving. People are asking about the World Cup, which starts yesterday or this week. People are asking questions. When the people are asking questions, those are opportunities to solve problems. So the first thing that you want to do is identify a problem. If you can't figure out a problem, you can, like I said, look at trends.google.com. You can go over to Amazon and look at all of the different products. These are all different solutions for problems that popped up. You can look at your favorite YouTube channels. The first thing that you want to do is identify a problem. You can do the same thing over on TikTok. You can come over to TikTok and you can look at all of the different videos. And you can see, if we look at the For You page, you can see these videos are based on problems and solutions. Identify a problem. It can be something that you're interested in. It can be something that you like, something that you've purchased recently, something that this guy is providing entertaining content. That's a solution. People want to be entertained. They come to the internet for an escape. That's a solution that you can identify. All right. So people are making recipes. You can just identify a problem. It's as easy as that. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to identify solutions for the problem. That's how you're going to make money. Identify solutions. For example, with this cooking video, this person is actually teaching a Thanksgiving meal. People want to know how to cook a turkey on Thanksgiving or how to fry a turkey. You are going to identify the solutions. The solution could be getting an air fryer, if that's what it is, or buying the perfect block of cheese. If we come back over to YouTube, you can see these are different solutions. This person is creating content based on heavyweight. So step number one is to identify a problem. With this workout with gravity transformation, these people want to get in shape. That is a problem. The solution is to come up with different scientific experiments on light versus heavy. You can recommend different weights. Okay, you could recommend 10 pound barbells or 50 pound barbells. Identify a solution. If we look at this one over here with the affiliate marketing dude, his solution is to help people make money. All right, so if you scroll through, in order to make money in 2023, your solution must pay you. All right. And here are all the different opportunities for solutions. Affiliate products. You can create digital products. You can create physical products. You can even get paid by the YouTube Partner Program. That's a solution that can pay you. Now you have to understand the parameters of your solution. If we look at this Dominic Baptist right here, he makes money as an affiliate with Go High Level. So he creates content about Go High Level. What you want to do ideally is identify all of the solutions that are possible with your problem. All right. So if we look at this city planner, he's talking about NFL stadiums. He could potentially be an affiliate for booking.com if people want to go check out their stadiums. He could write an ebook about all of his findings when it comes to different NFL stadiums. Now, again, the solution is going to be what pays you. It can be affiliate products, digital, physical. It could be membership. So you could start like a Patreon, or you could have a reoccurring monthly membership. The solution is what's going to give you money. All right. I have a ton of videos that talk individually about affiliate marketing. I have a ton of videos that talk about selling digital products and even getting paid with the YouTube Partner Program. You want to make sure that you are writing down all of the solutions, because the solutions are what's going to pay you. Step number 3 is you are going to create content. Now that content, and I'm a huge proponent of creating content. The content is the vehicle that you're going to use to get in front of your targeted audience. All right. So first thing you're going to do, identify a problem. The second thing you're going to do is identify solutions. That's how you're going to make money. And the third thing you're going to do is you are going to create content. You need to figure out what your target audience wants to know in order to get in front of them. Let's look at some examples. For example, we scroll all the way back up here with this NCAA. This person is heavily promoting NCAA. So he's creating content about the NCAA football. All right. This one right here, the Lackluster channel, they create content about knowing your rights. All right. And they actually sell merchandise. That's how they provide solutions. They sell their own merchandise. But if we look through here, these people are all just creating content. That's all you have to do. If we scroll through, these people understand what their target audience wants and needs, and they're creating content to get in front of them. This RSpace is basically a Reddit entertainment channel. Anybody can do this. They're just reading the Reddit stories that they find. Most people don't want to read, especially over on Reddit, so they want to be entertained. And this content creator, RSpace, is creating the solution by reading it for the people. All right. And they're making money with the YouTube Partner Program. So if you think about it, identify a problem, think about the solutions, and then create the content. That's what everybody is doing. Everybody that's making money online in 2022 and 2023 are following this simple 3-step process. Now, it's incumbent on you to identify a problem that people care about. What you have to remember is there are 8 billion people in the world. All right. 4 billion people have access to the internet. So there should be no issue with you finding some problem. It doesn't have to be this ultra specific, narrow problem. It can be anything. All right. You can go create content on new things, old things. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you create content. What matters is you follow this 3-step process. Identify a problem. People want to make money online. They want better relationships. They want healthier relationships. Identify solutions, ideally multiple solutions, and then you create content. But if we look at this, if we scroll through, that's all this is. Everybody here has followed a simple 3-step process. People are tired of being scammed. And so he has created content, Pleasant Green, about all of the scam opportunities that people are being taken advantage of. And he's making money with brand deals, with merchandise, sponsorships, and the YouTube Partner Program. You can scroll through here, and if you can identify these 3 aspects, you are in a great position to make money online in 2023. Again, I guarantee you, if you implement those 3 simple steps, you will be successful in 2023. Will you be able to quit your job? I don't know. It depends on how good you are at creating content, how consistent and persistent you are at creating content. But follow these 3 simple steps and you will be successful online. If you want additional help to make money online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. I'd be happy to help you out. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.